and happy Vlogmas! Hey everyone, happy Vlogmas! We're in the grocery store. Hashtag no social anxiety. There are like a lot of people here. My little girl just said, I know said it already, but I'm getting yogurt. I probably said that. First it was a very cozy family morning, then we went shopping and got cinnamon buns with my sister, and it was such a cute sister date, and we also got cinnamon buns. It was so fun, guys. Good morning everyone! It's Advent number 2, so the second Sunday of December. No, it's not, but it's like the second Advent Sunday. And then we had the cutest family date ever, which was building a gingerbread house. It was so fun. Guess what I'll be doing now? I'll be cutting my hair. And then my mom cut my hair. It was so cool because, you know, I've been needing to get rid of my like broken bits of hair at the end, I guess. It was cool. And in the evening we went to the Illumina Lights garden park thingy. It was so Christmassy and beautiful. Well, that's it for this mini cute Christmas vibes video. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching. Like, subscribe, and see you next time.